everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Artist King here. So glad you could join me today. Today I am doing a really simple drawing, and if you look to the left of the screen you can see what I am trying to draw. And it's just a simple video today to show you how you can do it, although it's done in a time lapse because this video took me an awfully long time to film. So I didn't want to sit here and have you watch a video that's like 45 minutes long. So I did it in a time lapse, hoping that you would enjoy it. So anyway, don't forget me, Tuesdays, Saturdays, I post. And now I'm trying to just do tutorials so you guys can learn how to begin doing these things for yourself. Because I thought about it and I said, well, maybe I need to just do it as tutorials so that people can pick up little ideas so that they can start being creative on their own. Okay, so enjoy the video. Don't forget, like and subscribe, comment, share if you care to, and all those good things. And you guys just go on and have a wonderful day, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Okay, bye.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you. Some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you.